everyone, it's Misty here. I'm a design team member with Stamp Anything. Welcome to our April release preview day number 2. In today's video, I'm going to share with you our second chibi character along with all of the design team projects. If you missed it in yesterday's video, I shared the stencil, the word die, the builder die that goes along with this release, and of course our first character who was Carl, go with the flow. So April's theme is all about the trades, and in today's video I'm going to introduce you to Alec Thinks a Watt. So let's head over to the craft table and meet April's electrician. So for day 2 we have Alec Thinks a Watt. So he's our electrician. So thinks a watt is the first sentiment, and then if you can dream it, you condo it. And then you get a little light bulb, and he's got his wires and his tool belt. I love how Anne drew his hair. You could do so many different things with that. And then of course we have his builder dies. So once again, the design team samples are absolutely fantastic. If you want to see more, feel free to join us over on Facebook. That is linked in the description box down below. If you're interested in all or part of this release, be sure to check out Stamp Club. It is monthly, and you can pick your level. So you can either get the stamps and the dies, or you can get everything. And that is open internationally. So please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.